And today we're at the Tobyhanna Lake.
What are we doing?
We're fishing. For pickles.
We're fishing. Alright, show us their setup.
Okay.
Show us what we got, baby. What we got here? We got a new toy.
So we have this camera.
Aquaview, baby.
And we have...
That's a jaw jacker.
And then we have a jaw jacker. And let me go outside. And we also have some flags. I forgot the name. We have Dad, flag! Flag! I don't know.
Spinning? Yeah. Wait, hang on. Is it spinning at all? Yeah, there's a fish. So hang on, take it out nice and slow, grab the line. Okay. Give it a nice big tug and pull. See if there's anything on it. Pull.
There's something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, nice.
Oh, it spit out the shiner.
It did, dude. Sweet. Emma got a pickerel. You gonna hold it?
No.
There we go. Emma posed with your pickerel. Oh, say, finally caught a pickerel.
I finally caught a pickerel. And take a picture of me.
No, but just go next to it. And hang on. Hang on. There you go. Woo! Alright, let's get this guy back in the water. Come here. There we go. Nice. Woo! How's it feel? Alright, let's go get some more minnows. Flag! Is it moving?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, take it out nice and easy. And then grab that line, give it a big tug. Give it a big tug. Go. Is he on there?
I think. Hang on. Yeah, no, he popped off.
Is it moving?
Did you leave this up?
No. Give it a hard tug. No?
Yeah, no.
Okay, put her back down. Alright guys, Emma, Sean, we're fishing. We're doing an afternoon session at Tobyhanna. Trying to catch some pickerel on video. We had some cool footage of a pickerel that hit the jaw jacker that we will show. He popped off the hook though, so we didn't catch him. You're kicking up a bunch of dirt. Oh, flat!
Oh!
Flag! Flag! Hang on. spinning?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay. Okay, hang on.
Yeah, there's definitely.
Grab that line and pull. Grab the line and pull. Pull. Tug. Go. Go. Oh! Oh!
That even felt like a big fish.
Yeah, we're good. Here. Oh. Whew. So we missed that fish. But you know what? One of these times you're going to catch it. It's going to be awesome. Just takes a little bit of practice. Your hands warm? Mm-hmm. Alright. So we only got about we only got about a half hour of daylight left. We got a really late start. I don't think what time did we even start? I don't even know what time we started, but it was late because we got out here late.
Like maybe around 12:30.
Well, we were driving around looking at the lake, but we probably didn't have fish in the water till maybe 2. Or the fish. We didn't have bait in the water till about 2. So anyway, I'm coming. Go catch the fish, babe. See if it's moving. Alright, you're gonna give it a big tug. Pull out nice and gentle. Grab the line. Grab the line. Pull. Hard. Pull.
Yeah, there's a fish.
There you go. Woo! Good fish, bud. Nice. Oh, you expect me to get it off the hook?
Yeah.
Nice.
It already got off.
Oh, you dropped your thing. Woo! Hang on, stay there so we'll get him in the shot. Say cheese. Woo!
I'm gonna catch it.
You want to get him releasing here? Let's see. Alright, pal, we'll get you back in the water. You ready? There we go. Woo! Good fish, bud. Too bad we couldn't get him on the underwater camera.